Hey, what's up guys? This is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm gonna show you the 2022 Heartland Torque 371. This one's a bad mamma jamma, so come check this one out. We got in the front there, we got a place for your generator as well as your batteries. We also got this storage right here, the storage bay. And there's just, I mean, that might seem small, but there's a lot of nooks and crannies that you have inside that you can store stuff, as well as the outside, as you can see. This one's a great one to host parties and guests, because we got the outside kitchen right here. And it is under the electric awning with the LED lights, so you can party all the time, hang out, have fun with your buddies and the family. It's gonna be really, really cool when you get this coach. It's also got the refrigerator and two different entrances, one into the living space and one into the garage. Let's start in the living space. Holy moly, check this out. This is awesome. We got the little table right here. It's solid surface countertops too, guys. This isn't just a rinky-dink table. This is solid surface countertops with Corian. Really high quality stuff all throughout the coach here. You got the huge couch we got here. All of these seats recline. Yes, you heard it right. All of them, they recline, which is really, really awesome. You got one AC in here, and you also got the control panel right here. So if you want to get your slides out right here, check out your system monitor reads or start your generator, you can do that right here. Also got some coat hangers right there. Let's go from the back and then work our way towards the front. So here in the back, it's kind of like a rear kitchen type of vibe here. We got the sink here, the two different sinks. We got the big microwave, as well as the 3-burner stove cooktop, and the oven right here. And you see what I was talking about with the storage? They just put it all over the place. Like, look at how big this is. And then they have it all over the coach. So you got it right here, as well right here. You know, you even got a trash chute right here on the bottom. And just look at all this space. You can put your mugs, you can put your cereals, you can put anything else that the kids and you want. We also got just not a lot of counter space here. You can put your succulents up on here, make it look super beautiful. You can even put your toaster or any coffee maker, that type of thing, to make it yours. Right here across, you got the refrigerator. It's still in the wrapper. We got the double doors, so lots and lots of space. Super nice. It's not gonna open. But yeah, and then you also got the storage right up there. So lots of places for storage. Even though it's not on the outside, you can put it on in the inside. Let's go to my favorite part, the garage. Now this is where everything's gonna happen, right? This is where you're gonna host your guests, you're gonna have your toys, and then you're gonna just watch out on the party deck. Yeah, it does come with the ramp, as well as the patio doors. So on the outside, you can still be chilling right here on the ramp while the kids or you're just going out dirt biking and everything, which is super, super fun. I know you can picture all these memories that you're gonna make. Back here, you got a place for a washer and dryer. So if you wanna get some clothes done while you're doing some sand duning or anything like that, you can totally do that. This is a 13-foot garage, and you can manipulate the space how you want to with this thing right here. So if you want a little bit more space and try and Tetris your way with your toys, you totally can. That's really cool that Heartland kind of designed that for you to make it. And so you can actually, and it does hold in place too with this little handle. So you can just handle it right there, bam, more space. Or if you just already have enough toys and you just want a full bathroom, you can just do it like that and close the door. Super simple, super easy. You also got this bunk up here. You got the ladder that just leads right up to there. You can use it for storage. You can put kids up there. You can do anything you want with that. It's gonna be super awesome. This also got the electric bed, the bunk, as well as the recliners. Not recliners, but the chairs that come down as well. So just with the push of a button, everything is gonna be super simple and easy. It just comes down as well as the bunk does as well. So this is super awesome coach, guys. The garage space is definitely where you're gonna make the most memories. Again, that's a 13-foot garage, so really, really cool. Let's go to the front of the rig. Got our little steps here. Before we go into the bedroom, go and check out this bathroom. Super nice, consistent interior throughout the coach. Nice shower curtain as well as the shower head. Lots of chances for natural light to be let in here. Super beautiful. And on this slide out right here, you actually have some more chances for storage. So we got a wardrobe closet right here. And as you come on in, you're gonna see more storage right over here. I'll let you come on in here. Check out that storage on the left, and it's a mirror also, so lots of space. And it does have a rack in there too. And you can even mount a TV just right above that window, and just make this place really your own. Really, really beautiful. You can see it right here. Also, we got the king bed, right? The king bed is in the up position right now, but it does also go down just with the push of a button. So as it's going down, you can just see that the mattress is going down all the way. Super convenient, super nice. And although the mattress is all the way to here, look how much space. It doesn't actually close off the space right here for you to walk around. So there's plenty of space for you to be able to walk around this bed, and a really nice time to just be able to rest. And the dual entry into the restroom is really, really a cool feature in here too. So that's the bedroom. Guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to contact me, okay? Oh, I didn't even mention, check out that big TV. That's a bad mamma jamma. That's huge. So awesome. If you guys have any questions whatsoever about any rig, feel free to call me. My name is Kyle. You can call me at 541-799-8794. Again, my name is Kyle, and I look forward to talking to you. Hope you have a great day.